In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the screen flickering issues on your PlayStation 5 when you're playing on a TV or monitor. Before you do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more PlayStation 5 content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do from this home menu is actually open up your settings in the top right corner by selecting this little settings cogwheel, and then scroll down on this page until you see the screen and video options. Select it and go into video output. Now, what you're going to want to do if your display does support 4K is just try lowering the video transfer rate to -1 or -2 and see if that fixes the flickering. If it doesn't though, go ahead and navigate to the resolution tab by scrolling up just a little bit and you'll see the resolution right here, and just make sure that you set this to automatic, because then the PS5 is going to match whatever resolution that your TV or monitor can handle. Now, if the issue does keep continuing, what you're going to want to do is once again just back out just a little bit, and this time go ahead and go into system just like so. And what you're going to want to do here is scroll down and select HDMI. Just make sure that you do have enable HDCP turned on while you're recording or streaming, because this can cause flickering. So if it is flickering, try turning it off if you're capturing gameplay. Some other quick fixes are obviously going to be powering off your PlayStation 5 completely, unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds, and then plugging it back in, trying it out with some different HDMI cables to see if the HDMI cable that you're currently using is faulty, and try switching the HDMI cable to another port on your TV or monitor to see if that port itself is faulty. After trying these steps, your PlayStation 5 display should be stable again with no flickering. That being said, if this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more PlayStation fixes just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.